This video demonstrates how to build an SSIS package that loads multiple Excel files from a folder into a central SQL Server table. The example uses COZYROC's components to streamline and enhance integration, while sticking to a simple design, suitable for beginners. Before we begin, let's look at the data we will be using. In our designated folder, we have 3 Excel files. We have one for Asia sales, one for UK sales, and one for USA sales. Each file contains the same structure, including a region column with region codes, a date column, and an amount column, because the column names are consistent across all files. This makes our integration straightforward. If they were not consistent, you could use COZYROC's Dataflow Task Plus to dynamically map source columns to destination columns. For step 1, we will create package variables. Navigate to the SSIS variables pane in Visual Studio. We will define 3 variables for use throughout the package. Create a variable with the name sfiles folder with the type string, and give it the value of the path to the folder containing the Excel files. Create a variable with the name sfiles filter with the type string, and give it the value *.xlsx, which defines a filter pattern to select .xlsx files. Create a variable with the name sfq file name with the type string, and give it a default value of the path to the USA sales file for design time testing. This variable, sfq file name, will store the fully qualified name of each Excel file retrieved by the Foreach loop. For step 2, we will configure the Foreach loop container. Drag a Foreach loop container onto the control flow canvas. Name it Foreach loop container for each Excel file. Set the enumerator type to Foreach file enumerator. In the Collection tab, set the directory property to the sfiles folder variable. And then set the file spec property to the sfiles filter variable. Note, if expressions do not appear right away, close and reopen the Foreach loop editor to refresh the values. In the Variable Mappings tab, map the variable sfq file name to index 0. For step 3, we will add a data flow task inside the loop. Before we begin this step, keep in mind once again that this is a simple package example, made easier by the fact that all column names are the same from source to destination. In the SSIS toolbox, you'll notice COZYROC also provides a more advanced Dataflow Task Plus. Unlike the standard Dataflow task that comes with SSIS, COZYROC's version allows for dynamic column mapping. Dynamic column mapping is essential when column names differ from file to file in a Foreach loop, or when the source Excel files use different column names than the destination SQL Server table. With COZYROC's Dataflow task, you can load tables with differing column names, utilizing a metadata table stored outside of your package. This prevents having to write a new package for every column name scenario. It is important to realize COZYROC's Dataflow Task Plus can save you time, reduce maintenance, and even lower costs with just this one feature. For this example, we will proceed to use the generic Dataflow task. Drag a Dataflow task inside the Foreach loop. Name it Dataflow Task Load Excel File. Double-click to open and switch to the Dataflow tab. For step 4, we will configure the Excel source using COZYROC's Excel Source Plus. Drag COZYROC's Excel Source Plus component onto the Dataflow canvas. Name it COZYROC Excel Source Plus. Double-click the component to open the editor. Click the New button next to the connection box. Browse and select the USA sales file. which will be used only to create metadata. Select the appropriate worksheet, go to the Columns tab and confirm the external and output columns are mapped. For step 5, we will configure the OLDB destination. Drag an OLDB destination to the Dataflow canvas. Name it OLDB Destination SQL. Connect the output arrow from Excel Source Plus to this destination. Double-click the new OLEDB destination to configure it. Click the new button next to the OLDB Connection Manager. Select an existing SQL Server connection or create a new one. Click New for name of the table or the view. A Create Table script will be generated based on source columns. Modify the table name to something meaningful. Adjust data types or column lengths if needed. Click the Mappings tab to ensure all input and destination columns are correctly mapped. For step 6, we will set the Excel file path dynamically. Right now, the Excel connection is statically set to the USA sales file. We need to make it dynamic for the loop. Go to the Connection Managers pane. Right-click the Excel connection manager and choose Properties. Find the Expressions property and click the ellipsis, or in other words, the 3 dots. Add a new expression for the property Excel file path to use the variable SFQ file name. This will dynamically set the file name from the current Foreach Loop iteration. Click OK to save and close. For step 7, we will run the package. Switch back to the Control Flow tab. Right-click your .dtsx file in the Solution Explorer pane and select Execute Package. After execution completes, open SQL Server Management Studio. Query the new SQL table to verify that all Excel files were loaded successfully. COZYROC plus SSIS equals scalable integrations. With just a few steps, we've built a reusable and dynamic package to load Excel files into SQL Server. Using SQL Server Integration Services, enhanced with COZYROC SSIS Plus components. Did you know COZYROC SSIS Plus Ultimate Suite can handle over 95% of enterprise data integration needs, whether in managed or hybrid cloud environments? All for as little as $2,400 per year or $1,200 per year for on-premises only. Act now to schedule a free 30-minute consultation to discuss your data integration needs. COZYROC's advanced SSIS tools help you move faster, work smarter, and save money.